Welcome to BuySpares. In this video I will show you how to replace shock absorbers on a Hotpoint washing machine. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If the washing machine has an unbalanced load, it can result in damage to the suspension, which could cause the machine to produce excessive noise and vibration, and they will need replacing. Carefully load the machine onto its side. The suspension is connected to the bottom of the cabinet and the tub. To release the pins that go through the tub, you will need a pair of pliers. Push the tab we can see here, and using the pliers, pull from the other side to remove, and repeat on the other side. The other end of the suspension is secured with a nut through the cabinet. Use a socket set to remove the nut and take out the suspension. Put the new suspension into position before refitting the nut. Push the suspension leg into the tub and replace the pin, and repeat on the other side. And there we have it, the shock absorbers replaced on a Hotpoint washing machine. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.